Hey bitch, so if you would like to see how I got my nails from this to this, then stay tuned. So this is the previous set that I just did, and you will not need any nail polish remover. You will just need gel nail polish, and these are just a few items you will need. And I got these stones from Sally's a while ago. I'll put the details about that below. So this is me just showing you guys how I got my press-on nails to be so long. I will not be showing the complete process. If you guys like to see that process in detail, I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. But I did want to just kind of give you guys an idea of how I got a press-on nail to be so long. So this is pretty much me finishing that up. And I won't be doing too much audio in this video. I think my voice sounds so weird over audio. So I'm just going to pretty much let you guys watch. But I am using this nail polish. It's called Gabriella. The brand is Gabriella, and it's gel polish. I got this polish from the hair store for $1.99, and this polish goes on so thick. And like how you go to the nail shop and you get gel polish and it has that like plasticky coat, that polish dries just like that. So these are my nails right now after a week. And I'm just going to go in with that polish, and I'm just going to pretty much let you guys watch, and I'll be back.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Kick. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Kick.
So this is how it looks, guys, with two coats along with 2 coats of the clear top coat. So I'm going to take some of these jewels, and I'll be using some heart-shaped jewels of different colors, and then the heart-shaped jewels that are only silver. I just decided to pour these jewels out on a piece of paper because it was easier, to pick them up that way. And this is a Beauty Secrets application brush for acrylic, and I'm just using the end of that brush to apply the jewels. So I'm just going to take some nail glue and apply it on my nail, and I'm using the clear polish just to put the brush and dip it into the end, and just so it can attach to the stones basically. So I'm just going to put that around the edges right here. I'm going to pretty much freestyle the design, so I'm just going to let you guys watch, and I'll be back.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby.
So this is the end result, you guys. I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, bitch.